Here's a quick tip. If you're trying to bring new life to a worn out rinkety dinkety paint stand like this one I've been using forever, get yourself some pool noodles like so. You can leave these on, but if you do, the pool noodle won't go all the way around. So what I like to do is to cut this old piece off because it's already served its purpose. Thank you for your service. And then it doesn't have to be perfect, but if you're one of those that, you want to clean that down or, I don't know, scuff it up, take your razor blade right down the middle. And then kind of find your center point and just start working it in. Like so, like so. Bam. Now this will stay, but I always take it a step further. I get me some duct tape. I'll start on one edge, squeeze the piece together. I pull, I start kind of working it. Might look a little funky until you get up top, then things start evening out a little bit. I like to save money because if I save money, clients are saving money. We can use that money for something else. Pass the savings on, or just avoid having to spend for your shop. And you don't have to, just by refurbishing something like this. You know what I mean? Doesn't take long. Doesn't take a lot of effort. A little bit of tape. I'm getting out of control, but this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm a little OCD, but not enough to care if, the tape striations are all even and whatnot. Now, voila, heavy duty, ready to go. And it's good cushion. I mean, it's got really good cushion. I'm gonna finish up this side, and I'll have two heavy duty stands that I've had forever. I've had these a very long time. I mean, you can tell the wear and tear is real, but now longevity has been stretched. So yeah, just a little tip if you want to breathe in new life into your stands. Hope it helps somebody. And that's what it looks like when it's done. Now, when I say heavy duty, I'm talking about like the cushion, not necessarily that it's going to hold more weight, because adding the new cushion and taping it off is not going to make it hold more weight. So, just to be clear, but I mean, come on, pool noodles are like $1. Tape is pretty cheap too. And you go from having this little rinky-dinky cushion to heavy-duty cushionings. I've had parts on these where the heat will melt this to the part. It's absolutely worth it. So there you have it. Hope that helps somebody. I'm gonna keep wet sanding because we have a lot of more to do on the 65, a lot more color coming, and a lot of major changes coming to galvanized metals and paint. I have resigned from my teaching position. Family medical concerns have come up, and life has taken me in a different direction, And yeah, we're going for it. We're going all in. So gonna keep on working, keep on doing what I'm doing, and I hope I'm helping someone out there, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. I hope, you know, everyone does what they want to do, and kind of like what I'm doing, right? Just go for it. And yeah, thank you for all of you who are watching and subscribing. And like I said, I hope it's helping someone. And if you're into this kind of stuff and you're liking the content, subscribe, join the ride.